Hello everyone, welcome to One Omega Night. On this video, I'll be showing how to draw the chibi character, like a basic chibi character within 10 minutes at home. So, why I'm recording this video on my paper because I don't have enough time to do it on my system because it's Christmas. I have some works. This is the main reason, and other reasons are some other reasons like helping friends on Christmas Eve. So that's why I recorded, and some in this video some little bit editing is there. So let's get started. So first of all, draw a circle. It not be a perfect one, just as you like. Draw it because I also done mistake here. So mistake will be erased afterwards, just perfect shape. Now draw light grease lines like horizontal and vertical lines. They will be like your characters uh, facial expressions, like what we can do is I will zoom in. So here you can say there are some grease lines. So these will help you to draw eyes and ears to your character. So just draw a circle. So just draw, fill it with black color and leave one spot like white. Leave one spot. So it will look like our character is seeing somewhere else. So do the same to other eye also. And now just increase the second eye size. So our character is okay. I think now you can draw nose, a small nose to our character, just like a L shape or a slant nose, like C, big C, like big character letter C, and a small line to our mouth, chibi character mouth. So that's it. Our chibi character basic facial expression and symbols face is created. Uh, Now let's draw ears. So for ears, just draw C to your character's head. See, before you're drawing C, previously we drawn like grease lines, horizontal and vertical. Take those lines as a reference and draw according to your eyes line. So the eyes ears should be much like off part. So now draw hair. So the hair it is little bit bigger than our chibi character. So leave some gaps and draw a circle line, and for hair just draw zigzags, just like what I did. Just draw zigzag lines. That's it. And now you can add some little bit eyebrows, like some small lines. Some thick lines will be okay for eyebrows, so it looks cute. So all chibi characters looks cute. Now draw a big circle below here. Why? It is because the chibi characters has big heads equal to their bodies. So draw a circle and draw cross lines. So now we have drawn some cross lines. So these lines will act as our character's hands. So now cut the bottom circle into half. Why? Because I will tell you in further video. Cut it off, like just draw some grease line. So it should not be thick. So take a reference of your eye and draw a straight line below that grease line. If you don't understand, just see the video. You can see in the video that I just drawn a video. So between those two lines, just add another tick mark, and just from the tick mark, just cross that line to parallel to the previous line. Just don't touch them, like parallel. Now add shoes to our character by connecting those lines, simply basic, like bun shoes. Sure. Now see, now take a reference of your grease line which were drawn on our below circle. So take as a reference and connect the first lines which we drawn for our legs character. Now raise that lines to little bit so it represents as shirt, and from that draw opposite parallel lines to our character before lines, so that it can represent hand. So for I'm also hand. Now I'll be adding some details to our character. So for that I'll be time lapsing my character. So if you want to add the details, or just skip the part and watch the time lapse video. Okay. So here you can see that I drawn a briefcase to our chibi character and applied some basic shading to it. So this is only a little bit of my future drawing video, and if you want to follow me on Facebook and YouTube, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a like to my Facebook page. So there you can follow me like daily updates, and also coming video tutorials I will post there also. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and share, and also thank for watching this video. And that's it for this video. See you later.